So Ashley, how helpful was it, the pre-event coordination, group logistics, setup communications?
The pre-event communications were great. We were very happy with the communication frequency of MCI and the attentiveness of their team. Changes were made in good time. We felt like the communication was proactive and our preferences were prioritized. They were very on top of things. We were sent frequent reminders about different parts of our logistics process, so it was all very helpful.
Were exhibitors and sponsors adequately supported during the show and the setup?
Absolutely, yes. They were very attentive to the sponsors' needs. The response time, we were very impressed with it. They were very quick when it came to making changes on site that we needed. Any last minute changes were addressed very quickly. Um, and they also did a great job of notifying us and just staying in close communication with our team throughout that whole process. For example, with crowd control, we never know when booths are going to be overrun with attendees or have a problem with a crowd listening to a demo, and so that was something that the team was very on top of. They quickly enlisted help of the security team and did a great job with managing things like that.
How satisfied were you with the execution and the visibility of the showcase survey?
Very. We were very satisfied with the execution. It was a large improvement from last year, so I feel like our expectations were definitely met and exceeded.
What was your impression of overall organization and execution of logistics?
Very smooth. The overall organization was fantastic. It definitely met and exceeded our expectations. Um, the MCI team was proactive in communication, letting us know about any potential issues that might arise, and did a great job getting on top of things.
Which part of our support stood out most?
The part that stood out the most was probably that your team remembered a lot of our preferences from working with us last year. So I think that was very helpful. The team would proactively bring up different issues that we ran into last year and would speak on our behalf. For example, just organizing the booths and what our preferences were there. They would proactively bring up things to the celebration team and intercede if they needed a further explanation of something that we were trying to communicate.
Any reflection you'd like to share and you recommend us as well?
Yes, I would definitely recommend MCI. I think your team takes direction exceptionally well. We can definitely tell that there was a big improvement from last year. So it was really nice to be able to be encouraged by the communication and how it was received. And I think you all are definitely able to make changes on the fly, and we felt heard. And so, yes, I would definitely recommend the MCI team. I think that the team took direction exceptionally well. I think that they were very receptive to our communication and needs, and were able to make changes as we and they saw fit and provided great recommendations. So I think just the adaptability of the team to suit our needs was very helpful.